Hey, I'm Natalie with Risen Legacy. I am the owner and founder of the company. I just wanted to do a quick video explaining to you guys what Risen Legacy is all about, kind of an insight on our company. So this is a dream come true for me. I love doing nails. I have done them forever, and I've always wanted to have a company of my own. So the name is Risen Legacy. Now, I do want to kind of explain that to you. The way that I got the name was legacy. It, like I said, has always been something I wanted to do. So this is a legacy for me, and I want it to go on and on forever. And then we got Risen because it is only possible that this business has become what it is because of Jesus Christ. So together we just kind of added them together as Risen Legacy and stuck with it. We are so excited for it. I love the name. Wouldn't change it for a thing. If you notice, let me get a little different bottle. If you notice on most of my on all of my things, I did include the little cross. So that is something that I wanted to make sure was on there. We are a Christian-based company, and we love the Lord. Everything we do is to exalt Him and lift Him up, and so I just wanted to let all of you know that. The company is a professional quality grade nail supply house, and we have DIY dipping kits. Sorry, I thought I turned the video off. We have DIY dipping kits to where you do the dips yourself at home. Now, each one of my jars are filled to the rim. I promise you that because I hand fill them myself. All our colors are custom made colors. I won't go into detail, but I do make every one of my colors. No one can copy them, and I have named them all. So each one of your jars is a 1 ounce jar. You will get 35 to 40 dips in one jar. So that is amazing. The kits range in price depending on what you want, but I do want to tell you that after you do buy the kit, every time you do a set of nails at home, it is roughly around a little less than $3 a set. So you will save. Another big plus is this powder is yours. This powder, you know what's going in it, what's going out of it. You don't have the funk. You won't give yourself the funk. So that is a big plus. I know that is going around right now. So I want to ease your minds knowing that when you purchase this, they are all sealed and nothing has been in them except for when you do your dip. So if you share them, you need to know what's going in and what's going out, but you can also dip your toenails, so in the summer they will stay beautiful all summer long. So that's just a little bit of a background behind our company, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or comment down below and I will get back to you. Our email is support@risenlegacy.com. So we thank you for your support. We hope you love our products. If there's anything you need to let me know, please do, and we will do our best to resolve something or make something better, or we take all compliments and complaints into consideration. So thank you guys. We love you so much, and enjoy Risen Legacy. Bye bye.